Namaste, I'm Dr. Sameer Pranjape, Ayurveda consultant practicing in Mukund. In this time, people are suffering from chronic cough, rhinitis, throat congestion, and they are taking so many medicines, cough syrups, and lot many things. They are undergoing so many investigations also. But I want to tell all of you that this season is meant for such diseases if your immunity is low, if there is already congestion in your body, if you are having extra quantity of water, then definitely there will be a congestion in your system, congestion in your throat, congestion in your upper respiratory tract. And if you take more water, more liquid after sunset, then definitely there will be uh, a congestion in upper respiratory tract. So I advise all my patients to not to drink a lot of water or liquids after sunset. I advise my patients to not to take dinner also, or reduce the quantity, and I advise them to have dinner as early as possible before sunset. That will reduce congestion in the throat, and there is no use of antibiotics or medicines for throat congestions, because if there is infection, then antibiotic will work. But without infection also, many times people suffer with throat congestion and chronic cough and rhinitis. Though they have completed the course of antibiotics, still they get such complaints, and for months people get cough and rhinitis and throat congestion. Some people experience asthma also. So my sincere request to all of you that please don't have much water after sunset, any liquid. So it's my kind request to all of you that finish your work as early as possible, have your dinner as early as possible, and during dinner you can have little sips of water. But after dinner, please avoid all the liquids. Thank you.